have a formula of Q is equals to MC. So we have A, we have 50 times 2,500. So which is equals to 175,000 kilojoules per kilogram. And for D, we have a given of CSM equals to 1,500 converted to hour. And we have a V is equals to 14.5 kg per pound. So when we solve for the mass, we have a formula of CFM over V. So we're going to plug in, and we're going to have a 6,207 pounds per hour. So number 4, we have a CP, which is 4.86 kilojoules per kilogram Celsius, and IP is 30.80 kilojoules per kilogram. T is 20 Celsius, X2 is 0.0063, and Q is 45. So we have a solution of S is equals to CPW times P. Plug in, we have a 4.186 times 20, which is 83.72 kilojoules per kilogram. I2 is 1.006 times 35 plus 0.0063 times 2501 plus 1.86 times 4.5. So this will go to 61.6 kilojoules per kilogram. And we have a formula of I3 minus I2 over X3 minus X2. So plug in. So we're going to have a 0.00872. And for the last problem, we have a Q, which is 29.5 kilowatts, and H1 is 61.4 kilojoules per kilogram. M is equals to 2 kilograms per second, and H4 is 66.5 kilojoules per kilogram. So we have a solution of ET is equals to M times H4 minus H1. Plug in. So we're going to have 1 for efficiency. We have a formula of QT over ET